Intro. Did you know that something as simple as a piece of cheese could be causing you to feel unwell? Many people experience reactions to certain foods, but not everyone connects those reactions to histamine. Today, we are diving into a topic that might just change how you see your health: histamine intolerance. Why should you care? Because recognizing the symptoms can lead to better health and a more enjoyable life. Stay with us as we explore 10 surprising symptoms of histamine intolerance that you might not even realize are linked to it. Main content. Let's kick things off with the first symptom. 1. Mysterious skin reactions. Have you ever noticed sudden rashes, itching, or hives for no apparent reason? Many people mistake these symptoms for allergies, but they could actually be a sign of histamine intolerance. When you eat histamine-rich foods, your body may react by displaying skin irritations. 2. Gastrointestinal issues. If you have chronic bloating, gas, or abdominal pain, you might overlook these signs. Histamine can affect your gut health, leading to digestive troubles that can make daily life uncomfortable. 3. Flushing or redness. Have you felt sudden warmth or redness in your face? This flushing is often linked to high levels of histamine in the body. This could happen after eating certain foods or even after a workout. 4. Frequent headaches or migraines. Do you often find yourself battling headaches that seem to come out of nowhere? Histamine can trigger headaches, and this symptom can be surprisingly common among those with histamine intolerance. If you notice a pattern, it might be worth looking at your diet more closely. 5. Fatigue or low energy. Feeling unusually tired, even after a full night's sleep. Fatigue is a less recognized symptom of histamine intolerance. Your body may be working overtime to process foods high in histamine, leaving you feeling worn out. 6. Sleep disturbances or restless nights becoming a norm for you. Histamine plays a role in wakefulness, and those with intolerance may struggle with both falling asleep and staying asleep. 7. Low blood pressure. Have you ever experienced dizziness or lightheadedness? Histamine can cause a drop in blood pressure, which could lead to these unsettling sensations. It's often overlooked, but it's crucial to connect these dots. 8. Anxiety or mood swings. Did you know food could play a role in your emotions? Histamine can influence mental health, causing anxiety or fluctuating moods. Recognizing this link could have a positive impact on your overall well-being. 9. Nasal congestion or sinus issues. If you suffer from frequent nasal congestion or sinus pressure, take note. Histamine often contributes to these symptoms, leading to discomfort that many associate with allergies. Understanding the connection can help you manage your condition better. 10. Food cravings. Have you ever craved specific foods that you know are high in histamine? These cravings can sometimes indicate an imbalance in your body's histamine levels. Noticing this pattern is key to understanding your body's needs better. Let's talk a bit about how to manage histamine intolerance now. Start by keeping a food diary for a few weeks. This can help you spot what foods may be triggering your symptoms. Consider eliminating high histamine foods like aged cheeses, cured meats, and alcohol. Gradually reintroduce them one at a time to see how your body reacts. It can be helpful to consult with a healthcare professional if you suspect you have histamine intolerance. They can offer personalized advice and possibly suggest a low histamine diet. Don't be afraid to discuss your symptoms with them. Your health is important. Outro. So there you have it, 10 surprising symptoms of histamine intolerance you may never have considered. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? Your insights could help others. Thanks for watching, and remember, paying attention to your body's signals is the first step toward better health.